The future powered by AI isn't coming, it's already here. At BeKey, we turn complex data into clear insights and everyday tasks into intelligent solutions. We focus on two critical areas: healthcare innovation and business automation. In healthcare, we combine deep domain knowledge with AI to improve patient care, streamline operations, and accelerate research, all while ensuring compliance with HIPAA and ISO standards. Across industries, we automate tedious tasks, fine-tune workflows, and help businesses make sense of their data to boost productivity and drive growth. From optimizing operating rooms for hospitals to building chatbots in just hours, our AI solutions are already solving real-world challenges. We do not replace the existing hospital software solutions, but integrate with them and provide human-friendly, automated processes. BeKey manages the complete AI lifecycle, from data preparation to full deployment, to deliver robust, tailor-made solutions. Let's build something smarter together. Talk to BeKey and discover how AI can unlock real value for your business.